and this is the last RESTconf lab. This network has static routing only, and RESTconf is ready at each router. The only action is creating a program in Python to deploy in one execution the following: create a loopback for each router, configure OSPF at each router, and make all loopbacks getting advertised. And we'll have to use JSON. So we're going to automate the deployment of OSPF with loopbacks using JSON. So we can check the routers in order to see if they have anything. They should not have anything else, only static routing. Show IP OSPF, show IP interface brief. Show IP OSPF. Okay, so we're going to go to our server. We can ping each of these devices. They should be reachable. In order to make them reachable, I had to enter a static route here at the Linux server, and the program will use this. This is a Python list, but each part of the Python list is a dictionary with 3 entries. This is the IP address of each router. This is the router ID that will be given to OSPF, and this is the IP address of the loopback that each one will receive. This is the JSON code for OSPF, and in this case, some values will change with each iteration. For instance, this, and for the loopback, we will change here the loopback. Notice that we will be using a for loop. This for loop will go into each member of this list. So I'm going to go through this list and execute this code each time for each member of the list. So this loop will be executed 4 times, and for each iteration, I will execute this for OSPF. Notice that we will be using this header, and the device IP address will change, and this code for the loopback. So let's execute it. Python 3. So response is 204, means that it is okay. Remember that response 200 is successful. So in this case, the automation is done in a couple of seconds. So in a couple of seconds, we can enter OSPF in all the devices and creating a loopback in all the devices. So let's go to the devices. Notice the messages. I have a loopback. I have OSPF. Okay, I'm gonna leave the actual code in the description. That's it.